Batch 1. Strawberry harvesting and facility arrival. Focuses on the starting point of juice production. Fresh, ripe strawberries are carefully harvested and selected for quality. The fruit is transported under controlled conditions to preserve freshness. This stage ensures high-quality strawberries reach the processing facility. Washing and cleaning process. Washing and cleaning removes dirt and surface contaminants from the strawberries. Multiple water-based cleaning stages ensure food safety and hygiene. Only thoroughly cleaned fruit continues further. This step prepares strawberries for safe processing. Sorting and quality inspection ensures consistency in product reliability. Damaged or unsuitable strawberries are removed from the line. Only premium quality fruit is approved for juice production. This guarantees a uniform taste and appearance. Destemming and pre-processing prepares strawberries for extraction. Stems and unwanted parts are removed carefully. The fruit is conditioned for efficient crushing. This stage protects equipment and improves juice quality. Crushing and pulping transforms whole strawberries into pulp. The fruit is gently crushed to release juice and natural flavor. Texture and consistency are carefully controlled. This step begins the juice extraction process. Juice extraction separates liquid juice from strawberry pulp. Advanced extraction equipment maximizes juice yield. Natural color and flavor are preserved during this stage. The extracted juice moves forward for refinement. Filtration and clarification improve juice texture and stability. Unwanted solids and impurities are carefully removed. The juice becomes smoother and more consistent. This step enhances visual quality and mouthfeel. Pasteurization focuses on product safety and shelf life. The strawberry juice is gently heated to eliminate harmful microbes. Flavor and nutrients are preserved through controlled temperatures. This ensures safe consumption. Batch 9. Cooling and storage. Cooling and storage stabilizes the pasteurized juice. The juice is rapidly cooled to maintain freshness. Temperature-controlled tanks preserve quality. The juice is prepared for bottling. Bottle preparation and filling ensures precise packaging. Clean glass bottles are aligned and filled with strawberry juice. Filling levels are accurately controlled. This stage prepares the product for sealing.
Capping and sealing. Caps are applied tightly to prevent leakage and contamination. Every seal is checked for consistency. This step ensures product safety during transport. Labeling and packaging focuses on brand identity and presentation. Bottles receive consistent labels with clear product information. Final packaging protects bottles for distribution. The product is now market ready.